Hello, Terry. Hello, everyone. I hope you're having a great afternoon. I do have the SPY up over here. We can see that for today, we topped out with the selling roughly 454.92. Should we go above there, which is we're about to test that right now. That would be my, hey, I think we're going to be moving higher. There we go. And we are off, right? We are going to be moving up. Look at that. We hit above that. Next test, in my opinion, would be up here at 455.46. Let's see. It tested and it pulled back. Let's just go from open right over here. So from open, we are above all of the points of control, above all of the volume traded. So right now it looks like as long as we can have this 5-minute candle close above 454.92, we are going to move up higher. Let's check and see how that level 2 is looking. Yep, they are refreshing right there at 92. If they sell more, it's going to go back down and potentially test over here at 454.41. So we had the initial pop up. Maybe they're going to sell, bring it back down, and then shoot it up again. Let's see, we're watching that 92 to make sure that right here, 92. Is it going to break above? They keep testing it. Keep testing it. 92. Here we go. 92. Oh, nope, just kidding. We're going to dump more at 92. Okay, 95. They're done, maybe. Let's count 1, 2, 3. Nope, not done. Not done selling yet. Let's see. Maybe they're covering their shorts right there. Let's put on some pivots too. Hey, look at that. Pivot right there. Huh, look at that. Little rascal right there hanging out. Yep, they sold at 92. They're bringing it back down. Maybe it's going to bounce off of 66. All right, hold on. I see a comment here on the side. Let me put the chat up on the other screen so I can see it over here. MSC Jan Oakley. Hi, Johnny. I was wondering. I was like, what is going on? Hello, Johnny. Hi, Shakespeare. Yeah, so keeping a watch on that. In the meantime, let's also look and see. I will set an alert if we go up above 455 on the SPY. It will tell us, put your software to work for you. Otherwise, they were selling up there again. All right, let's go really quickly through the stocks on the list. So AMC today, AMC, I said if it goes above 530 or below 506, potential move for that. And sure enough, it went to the downside. There was a rumor mill going around that Goldman Sachs said it should be 175 a share. Maybe somebody wanted to sell into that news report. Well, definitely they brought it down to 492 area. Over here, 491 low for the day. Now, if it goes above, right here, 501, likely a squeeze on up, back up here to the 515 area. In the meantime, it's just riding down the moving averages. We are below the 4 and the 8. Potential test down here at 484. All right. In the past, I always get clapped trying to trade the FOMC meeting. Yes, good to wait for it to break one way or the other, right? It was a very quick move down here. Let's go to the 1-minute chart. Well, so we can see really craziness. That's why I like these blue lines here. That is 70% of the volume for today has been traded between those blue lines. If you're in it, it's like you're stuck in the traffic jam. Wait for it to get outside of the box and wait for it to get outside of these yellow lines. Even better, right? These are points of control. So if it goes below 454, or even better, if it goes below 454.09 or above 454.92, until then, just look at some other things, right? Let it do its thing and come back to it when it's in a spot that you want it to be in. The higher probability, right? Okay, so Bud today had a nice potential, but it's just stuck in this zone. It's been here for a couple of days. Can't make up its mind. Is it going to move up? Is it going to move down? Volume is dropping and we are going sideways at the moment. Tesla today, helps when you type it the right way. Tesla today moved up this morning, pulled back, and now we are hanging out in that 70%, waiting for the FOMC decision. We are above the point of control for today. However, not above 265.50, which was my area. If we go above here, then a nice potential trade to the long side. Also, Terry, you know, typically if you notice with the FOMC that it does have a 1, 2, 3 type move. So just let everything sort of calm down and then look at it from there. All right, let's look at Microsoft. Microsoft today, earnings dropped after hours. Then today, another move up, quick move up, hit that 200 exponential, 161, and they continued to sell it down. It's just been riding that 28 exponential, moving down. A nice short trade below 337 with a low today of 333.11. Nice numbers, right? All right, let's look at Snap as well. Snapchat did not do so well after hours, and today it sort of went sideways. Didn't really move up or down outside of the range that I had set up. Likely it will tomorrow. Look at that crazy volume today. So it's trading sideways at the moment. Bulk of the money has been traded down here between 10.06 and 10.18. We are above 10.35. We might see that it pops up to the 10.48 mark and then comes back down. But I would like it, in my opinion, high for a long trade up above 10.50, or at least for a retracement up to that 11.15 area. All right, let's look at Wells Fargo. Don't worry, I have that alert set up on the SPY while we're looking at other things. That's the beauty of the software. All right, so Wells Fargo today had a crazy drop down here to 45.48 pre-market and has been slowly grinding down. Slowly grinding down below 46.40, a nice potential short. Yeah, it popped up, hit the 28, pulled back down, came down, tested 46.40, came down, tested 46.40, and now it looks like we are finally below the support of 46.21, trading sideways here. So let's see if it does move back up and test 46.24, where the bulk of the volume has been traded today. If we move it closer and we look just to see what's happened, it looks like majority of the volume has, for this particular time frame, since noon has been traded down at 46.20. So some short covering there. Let's see, people might be waiting to see what happens with the SPY, if we're going to have a breakout move, or are they positioning to sell it off further with the SPY. All right, let's look at Spotify. Spotify today, big drop down, but it was up from close. So looking at this nice move to the upside above 144.50 today, we had a nice pop up to 146.92. That's the point of control right now. Came back down, and a second potential. We do have a nice initial 1, 2. This could be that third leg with a breakout up above 147.90. If we measure that move, let's look at it here. Or it might be the fifth leg, 3 points. So we might very well see that this goes from 146.62 up to 149.60 area. So if I were looking at an option, I might look at a 150 option for today's Wednesday, Friday of this week, and just trade it into the afternoon session, in my opinion. Right? All right, let's see. It's tricky. Yes, you gotta have patience, Terry. Let the chart tell you to get in. Don't wait. Don't jump in before, because they could do that. They get everybody, oh, it's just right there, and they sell hard and it goes the other direction, right? So just wait. It's gonna have a bigger move. The more that it moves sideways, the bigger the potential move. Boeing today had a nice move up above 223, pulled back and then continued on up. Very similar move to the Spotify, right? And now it seems like it's hitting its head up above that 230 mark. We come back and we look, yep, right here in the past. I did mention it in my live stream this morning. If you guys want to join and get my opinion on some charts for some amazing trades, come and join my YouTube members live stream. If you guys also like the live streams, hit the like button, subscribe, turn on notifications, put comments down below as to what you'd like to see. And I go over a lot of good stuff, not only stock related, also shared my butter chicken recipe yesterday. Oh, it's so good. Delicious. Union Pacific today, a awesome move to the upside, and it provided a nice trade to the upside. Also, one that had big volume today, potentially in sympathy, is CSX. Look at these big volume spikes here, 1 and 2. So this has gone sideways. I'd watch CSX. It has had earnings, and we've hit the 28 exponential over here, and we're stuck. If we break below this 4 and we close below 32.80, potential for this to move down to 32.50, maybe even all the way back down to 31.75. Let's look at Meta. We do have Meta having their earnings tonight after hours. So pre-earnings trading today. Just be aware that we do have that going on overnight. Let's also look and see. Let me pull up earnings whispers to see what else we have for this evening for tonight. Here we go. Oh, that's July 24th. That's not it. Helps when you spell it correctly too. Hold on, that's the 24th after hours. Earnings whispers. There we go. All right. So let's see the big ones that we have after hours tonight right here. We also have it. We've got RCL, Royal Caribbean, McDonald's, Love, MasterCard, Crocs. We have a whole bunch. So keep your eye on those. Be aware. Check them out. I'm going to retweet this. So if you guys follow me, it's Airplane Jane on Twitter. You can capture that. Oh, I have to play a super funny video. What am I doing? I want this over here. This video right here. Have you guys seen this? If you haven't seen it, go check it out. It's absolutely hilarious. Here, let me turn on the volume. And hold on, pause. Let me pause the music. Pause. And turn the sound up.
The press are coming tomorrow. This deepfake generated video is a joke. As you all know, I've been busy traveling and following the Dead and Company and going to concerts. And you might
The scary thing is this is 100% AI.
Now you understand why the fiscal and monetary policy is the way it is.
And if somebody's joking around and creating this, how do we know that the real press conference that starts in 6 minutes is real?
That's what's going to happen. The only reason you all are getting hikes is because the other Fed governors used their crayons to fluff their corporate backers to make their cash piles grow a little more. I kept saying this meeting was a live meeting and that no decisions were made. But you idiots decided we needed another hike after amazing economic data this past month.
So
You absolutely
for this,
often forget that I am
it makes me think, uh-oh, what is going on, right? How many of our news broadcasts are AI, right? So this was a good laugh. Anyways, all right, let's bring it back to the stocks. So watching Meta, it hit that 299, rejected right there. Let's bring it back to the SPY. Let's look at the dollar first. I know we've got Johnny looking at it, going to go up DXY, short U, and XAU. Bye. Have a good one, Johnny. So right now, dollar is actually dropping. Silver is moving to the upside, a little bit of a safe haven. This did move up big time today. We are testing a trend line on a bigger picture right here, looking to see if we can close above 25.26. That is a strong resistance. If we do, nice potential move up to the 27.20 area over here. Let's look at gold. Gold did set up for a nice cup and handle. So looking for a close above right here, above 1970. If we can close above that, add 60 points right on up to 2030. That would be my projected target for gold to the upside. All right, let's check silver again. Not silver, the SPY. Well, look at that. Good thing. See, now it's a short trade. Okay, it's validated to me, Terry, that it is a short trade on the SPY at this point in time, in my opinion. However, reminder that it is quite far extended away from the moving averages. You can see that the 4 exponential is down here at 454.38. That would be a 30-cent stop, in my opinion, which is above the point of control. But the point of control is now hanging around 454.25. So if it hits 38, I would be out. Let's bring this over. Out. That would be my stop. And I would wait. They dropped it. Some people got on the bandwagon, shorts. Now, if they don't get out, they're going to be stuck, right? But as soon as it dropped, it was a very quick drop. Now it's still in the no trade. It's going sideways. Don't touch it. Don't do anything because it's still going sideways. Again, up again, above 455 or below. Now 454.11 down here because it looks like a big print or a big volume came in down there. All right, anything else you guys want to check out today? Any other questions? Let me know. Otherwise, I will wrap it up for today. Have an amazing rest of your trading day. Carpe profit. Wait until that higher probability trade. And have a great afternoon.